Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone cannot load search results in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and your iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to search anything, you get an error that your iPhone cannot load your search results. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that it might be a network issue. You can easily fix this by refreshing your networks. It's not true that you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you're connected to any strongest and a stable network connection using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app here, and here go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that, go back. And here you have to also check for software updates. If you find any pending software update, try to update your software. And after doing that, you just have to go back, open your app store here, search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any kind of pending updates, you just have to try to update your Instagram app. And after updating, your issue must be fixed. You have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app again, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirm message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after doing that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. So in any cases, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have a simple way. You have to go back, go for general again, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app here, tap on delete app and tap on delete option again. You can also try to offload this app, and after offloading or deleting, you just have to reinstall app using your app store. You can also do this from your settings. If you have offloaded your app, after offloading, you'll get a reinstall app option here. Just tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again, and then select reinstall app. And after reinstallation, your issue must be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.